must be emergency boat repair. Okay, what we're going to do now with the wave is we're going to attach this donor deck piece to the original deck. Got a little backer plate here. We put in the TotalBoat THIXO along the backer plate on the bottom and the top, so that we'll get plenty of coverage underneath. Once we get it on, we'll put this plastic under here or over the top to kind of flatten out any squeeze out, and then we'll put some 10-pound sandbags on top to kind of hold that seam flat while it dries. So skipper's gonna have to help me here in a second. So here's the basic fit of the piece as it goes on, and we got to put her to work now.